So I have the JBL Tune 770 noise cancelling headphones, and I'll be showing you how to hard reset these headphones. Now, of course, if you have the app, you can always go ahead and factory reset straight from the app. But if you want to hard reset and you don't have your app close by, then you can hard reset using the physical buttons on the headphones. So what you want to do is find the volume up and volume down buttons. So here they are. And what you want to do is, with the headphones on, press and hold these two buttons until you see these two lights go off, and then come back on, and then go back into pairing mode. And then you'll know your headphones have been reset. So volume down and volume up, you want to press and hold these two buttons simultaneously. So 1, 2, go, press and hold. Just keep holding. Keep holding. The headphones go off, and then they should come back on. And you can see this light is blinking rapidly, and you might have had the headphones say they're in pairing mode, and that means you've successfully hard reset your headphones. So if you're encountering any issues with the headphones in terms of connectivity, or maybe some of the software wasn't working properly, then that should fix your problem. Thanks for watching. Comments and questions down below, and good luck.